Hello, those of you that follow Cruising Off Duty. We are happy to say that today we went down to Loyalist Cove Marina and checked out our boat. The fixing from last year's fiasco has been completed. Out of it, we got a brand new windlass to replace our old windlass that took a little bit of abuse. Obviously, our bow pulpit bars were all torn apart and they have been fabricated custom for our boat. And we got a new anchor roller stainless steel, brushed stainless steel. It looks kind of gray, but it's actually stainless steel brushed. And then our new 45-pound Mantis anchor is on the front. And look at this thing. We're like a Trojan warship now with that big stainless steel thing hanging out the front of the boat. It looks like we are ready for ramming speed. He joked and said, if we hit anything now, we're gonna punch a hole in it. And this thing is built to last. So we are super happy. Also, the gel coat scratches that were on the side were all repaired. They restriped the boat, polished it up. It looks better than it ever has. So we are super, super happy, and our boat's gonna look awesome this year. So that's just a little update. Talk to you later.